Good day friends. Today I'm going to explain you how to purchase a product through our e-commerce website. We are offering various type of business cards in various methods like classic, premium, special, and we offer card holders also. When you scroll down you can see these various type of categories: classic, premium, special cards. You can find it here or else from the menu. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create your own card and how to customize already designed card, or else how to upload your own card. So let's see how it works. Now I'm going to work on a classic card, so which is a sharp edged one. That means these are the sharp edges, and horizontal one, it's a single side, and this is both sides, horizontal, sharp edge, sharp edge, both sides, like this. So like this we have all type of cards like sharp edged horizontal, sharp edged vertical, rounded edged horizontal, rounded edged vertical, square type also. You can see it from when you click on view more products. It automatically redirects you to the particular product page. So here you can find the complete product list which are available currently, or else you can choose it from here, classic cards. See, so on each particular type of product you have an option called customize card. When you click on this card, it automatically redirects you to the custom designer page, so where you can create your own card, or else you can upload your own design. Okay, let's check it out how it works. So now I'm going to work on a horizontal sharp edge at one side. So when I click on the customize card, it automatically redirects you to the our custom designer page. So this is our custom designer page. Here you can create your own card, or else you can upload your own design. When you click on this proceed button, you can see you can upload the file here. Okay, and this is the zoom option, so you can zoom your card. Now I'm going to show you how to design a basic business card. Okay, now let me explain the interface. So this is a menu, and these are the languages. That means these are for actually interface languages. You can choose Hindi, Telugu. Suppose if I click on Telugu, the interface language will be converted to Telugu. So see, like this, or else you can keep it in English. And this is the price, and this is the cart. Okay, so when you click on this cart, it will shows the available products. I mean, which you already added the products. It shows the products which you already added to check out. So once all things are completed, you can check it out from here. Okay, now, so these are the options where you use to create your own card. So this is the product. Here you can change the base color. It's only for preview purpose only. It won't work to print. Okay, it shows how it prints on a particular color. When you click, you can keep it as a bg. Okay, and these are the templates. Here all types of templates which are predefined. So that means in various type of categories it consists various type of templates. By using those templates you can directly design your card. And these are the clip arts. Here you can find various type of clip arts. And this is the text option where you can use where you can add your own text. And these are the images. That means which you want to use into your card day work area, you can use it here. Or you can click when you click on this, click on drop images here, it will opens the dialog box. By this you can choose your required file from the explorer, or else you can directly drag and drop this image here. And these are the shapes which you can use it to create custom shapes in the business cards. Drawing, it uses to create a free drawing. By using this you can easily create a free drawing, our own hand drawing, like this. See, you can draw your custom one. If you have skills with mouse, you can create as you like. Okay, So when you come to the layers, it shows how many layers you are having right now. So you can delete that layers, or you can lock this layer. That means you are unable to move. See, this one is not active. So like this, you can move your layers as you wish, or you can lock them, or you can hide them in the interface. So let's come to the product one, and here you can choose your required BG, background BG, or else you can choose as you like, or you can leave it as blank. So this is the blank area. So you can it's a transparent area. Okay, and now I'm going to create a basic business card. So in the images area, already I uploaded a logo here. You can choose it from documents or something like that. See, now I will show you. So this is the logo I actually used. So I'm gonna use this image. So I'm gonna save it here. Okay. So now let's come to the designer page. You can directly drag this here and you can drop it here. So automatically it adds into the images section. So when you click on this image, it automatically adds to your card. So I'm going to decrease the size. So these are the transformation controllers. By using this, you can rotate the image or you can scale it as you like, and you can create duplicate if you want another duplicate for the first image. So I'm going to use it here. And I'm going to add Burger King logo, and I'm going to scale it down, and I'm keeping in this area. And we have some other options where you can find when you select an object, some of the options will be highlighted here. By using these options, so you can customize them. You can rotate it here, or you can skew it here, or you can skew it vertically, or you can flip that image, or you can flip vertically, or you can scale it as you like. And these are the position options where you can place as you like. See, so I'm going to place it here. By default, you have to leave some custom edges, so you have to keep a bleed area so it won't cut when it prints. So I'm going to keep it in a bit more inside of the work area. I'm going to increase the size, and now I want to create some background. Now let's come to the shapes. I'm clicking on a rectangular one, and I'm going to drag it. See, when I'm going to move, you are seeing some lines here. Those are the called snap lines, so which are used to snap the objects to BG or else to the images. So when you click on that shape, and you can, so when you click on outside of the work area, it shows the auto snap option. When you click on here, it shows auto snap. So if it's turned off, it won't shows any lines. But if you turn it on, see, so that is the snapping. So easily you can snap to particular objects or a particular area as desired. Okay, now create QR code, which use it to create a custom QR code. By using this, you can create your own QR. So you can define the text here. So let's say Burger King India at gmail.com. So when anybody scans this QR code, it shows that mail ID, or you can keep your address also. So I'm going to keep this QR code here, or else you can keep it here. But it looks here, it looks good here. Now I'm going to change the color of this object. When I click here, you have an option called fill options. You can choose your color. Okay, and next one, we have an option called stroke color. This is a stroke, see, and I'm going to choose a particular shades. Okay, but basically the strokes work for fonts. Now I'm going to add another square, and I'm going to keep it here, and I'm going to send it back. You can scale it, you can zoom it, and you can adjust it as you like. Okay, so now I'm select this. I'm going to fill some other shade. See, and you can scale it down. Now I'm going to add some text. So when I come here, you can find various type of fonts. I'm going to add the basic address details and everything. So I'm clicking on Amaranth font. Kumar Kiran, and I'm going to add the subtext which is called for. You can scale it down. CEO. Okay, and now I'm going to add some default text, address text. So some fonts is not available here, so I can bring more fonts from here. When you click here, it shows the entire fonts, so easily you can add those fonts to your interface. So now I'm going to add Open Sans, and next Lato, Oswald, like that. I'm going to add more which are condensed and which are useful to me to insert into the card, like Unica one. I'm going to add this one also, and see, I'm going to add audio. This also looks good, and so Economica. I think this font suits well for the address. So now I'm closing this, and I'm going to insert. You can find those fonts here: Economica, AudioWide, Unica One, Lato, Open Sans. So I'm going to drag this Economica here, and you can scale it as you desire. So now I'm going to show you 501 second floor, Avinash Plaza, Coimbatore, Kerala. Okay, so you can align this text from here, left, center, right, and justify. So now I'm going to use the right one, and you can change it to uppercase or lowercase, or you can bold it, or you can use italicize, or else you can use underline, or else you can select the fonts from here. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the underline and I'm going to change it to small letters. And next, so if you want to adjust the spacing, or you can, if you want to adjust the font size and spacing between the letters or line height, you can adjust it as desired from this option, spacing and size option. So when you adjust this here, so I'm going to decrease the font spacing. I'm going to increase it a bit. Okay. Suppose if it doesn't like the font, you can choose your font as you like, or unique one. Like this, we have various type of fonts. Now, okay, so I'm going to add some other background which is useful for me. So now I'm going to come to the shapes, and here when you find here you can find particular shapes. Like see if I'm using the rectangular and I'm going to increase the size, and when I click on the option, basically when I click on the options, you can use the skew options or etc. as you decide. Skew white. Okay, so I'm going to add some shapes here. So I'm going to increase the size and I'm going to rotate it as my requirement, and see, I'm choosing the colors. Or you can choose your custom color from here also. Okay, so I want to send it this to the back of this one. So I select this layer and came to the arrange layers option. When I click on the back, it automatically goes to the back of the card. And we have more options like transparency, etc, etc, etc. Okay, now, so I'm going to fill a light shader, very light shader. So I'm going to send it to the back of the design. Now I'm going to use a fill option, or you can choose your required selected color, silver stroke, and you can choose the transparency, or you can choose your required color as you desired. And now, okay, so I want to add some pattern here. So let's come. So I'm gonna use this. so which is a food background, which suits for me, but I want a larger size comparing to this one. So I'm using tools, size large. See, these are the larger images, so I'm going to use this as BG. Now, let's come to this one and copy this one, or else you can save it. Now I'm going to insert into this one. So I'm going to come to here and I'm going to choose business card. You can drag this image. Now I'm going to select and I'm going to choose options. See, here you can find the transparent one. You can adjust it as you like. Now I'm going to create another duplicate for this one. If sometimes if the interface has been stuck like this, you can simply click on F5. It stores the data for the last saved option. Now, okay. Now I'm selecting, I'm creating another duplicate. So like this we can create the card and you can adjust your predefined shades, and I'm going to adjust this card one and here, and you can use your shapes, so which are predefinedly available, and clip arts also. Suppose if you want to insert some WhatsApp number, so insert the WhatsApp. So like this, we can complete our card, and you can come to the text option. So you can choose your desired text, and I'm going to edit it as 980946668. See, like this we can complete our card. So once the card has completed, see, it's automatically moving. Now I'm going to come to the layers option. When I'm clicking here, I'm using the lock. That means it won't move unnecessarily instead of clicking another one. So I have to lock it before when it goes to the print. Okay, now I'm going to check out this. When you click on the proceed option, you can have a look on this. Like you can upload your own custom file here, or you can choose number of cards. 100 cards is cost us for 100 rupees. So like that, 500 cards 350. And if you need any lamination like gloss spot lamination, you can choose it here. So when I click on the gloss lamination, and so we have to choose the equal quantity equal to your above part quantity. That means if you choose 100, you have to choose the lamination to the 100. So and add to cart. Now when you click on the checkout now, so this is the checkout page. By using here, you can check out the order as you like. So when you, if you have any coupon code CSKV20, so when I click on apply coupon, see the tax, the discount has been coupon as KRB20 has been added. That means you will get 275 rupees short of 55 rupees short on the 275 rupees. So the total price will be 220. So now I'm going to proceed to checkout. So when I click on here, it automatically redirects you to the payment gateway page. So before that, it will comes to the filling details, billing details. Here you can find your custom name and company name, country, address details. And when you click on this create account, it automatically creates your own account with the username. Okay, company name, and you will get a notified by a mail ID. And when you finally done, you can choose your credit, debit card, net banking, UPI. You can select it, and you can click on place order. So when you click on place order, it asks about the billing details and everything. and you can use your custom uh, so when you click on this icon, it automatically creates you the account itself. So now I'm going to place the order, so it automatically the page redirects you to custom payment gateway page like this. So here you can add your own card, or you can pay through your debit card or UPI wallets and banks also. So now, so this is the option. Now I'm going to cancel the transaction. So once the payment has succeeded, you will get a notification by our payment gateway and our company also regarding the details and particulars, everything. Okay.